Did you accidentally delete important files? Don't do anything yet, because one simple mistake can permanently destroy your chances of recovering them. In this video, I'll show you a completely free tool that can recover deleted photos, videos, documents, PDFs, and more, and we'll test it live. Let's get started. If you've recently deleted files, the first thing you should know is this. Do not save new files or install programs on the same drive where the files were deleted. New data can overwrite deleted files, making recovery much harder or even impossible. Now let's check out the software. This is a free Windows file recovery tool that supports photos, videos, documents, audio files, zip archives, and many other file types. It works with hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, memory cards, and external storage devices. To download it, simply click the free download button on the official website and install it like any other Windows program. The installation only takes a few seconds. Once installed, open the software. You'll see all storage devices connected to your computer. Select the drive where your files were deleted. If the files were deleted from a USB flash drive or memory card, select that device instead. Then choose Deep Scan for the best recovery results. Next, select a different location where recovered files will be saved. This is important. Never save recovered files to the same drive you're recovering from. Now let's do a quick test. I have a folder containing videos, images, PDF files, and other documents. I'll delete them. Then I'll empty the recycle bin to permanently remove them. At this point, most people think the files are gone forever. But let's see what happens. Back in the recovery software, I'll scan the drive using Deep Scan. After the scan finishes, the program displays all recoverable files it found. And as you can see, our deleted files have been detected successfully. Let's open the recovered folder. The videos work, the PDF files open correctly, the images are also recovered without any issues. One thing to remember is that recovered files may not keep their original names, so you might need to open them to identify them. Overall, this is one of the best free file recovery tools available if you've accidentally deleted important files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.